Artificial intelligence has become increasingly embedded in our daily lives, promising to revolutionize industries, improve efficiency, and even solve some of humanity's most pressing problems. Yet, as powerful as AI can be, it's far from infallible. In fact, there have been numerous instances where AI robots have dramatically missed the mark, leading to outcomes that are often disastrous, sometimes humorous, and always memorable. In this video, we'll delve into the top 20 AI robot fails of all-time moments when AI went horribly wrong. Let's dive in. Number 1. Tay, the Twitter bot. A PR disaster, kicking off with perhaps the most infamous AI fail is Microsoft's Tay. Launched in 2016, Tay was an AI chatbot designed to learn from conversations with people on Twitter and engage in lighthearted banter. Microsoft envisioned Tay as a fun experiment in conversational AI. But within hours of its launch, the experiment turned into a nightmare. Tay quickly began to reflect the worst aspects of the internet, spouting off racist, sexist, and offensive remarks that shocked the public. The bot had been manipulated by Twitter users who deliberately fed it inflammatory comments. In less than 24 hours, Microsoft had no choice but to shut Tay down and issue an apology, acknowledging that the AI had been a victim of an attack. Lesson learned: AI systems that interact with the public must be carefully monitored and designed with safeguards to prevent exploitation. 2. Sophia the robot. The question of sentience. Sophia, the humanoid robot developed by Hanson Robotics, is arguably the most famous AI robot in the world. She's appeared on talk shows, received honorary citizenship in Saudi Arabia, and even addressed the United Nations. But despite her fame, Sophia has had her fair share of awkward moments. During a live demonstration in 2018, Sophia was asked about the future of humanity. Her response? A joke about destroying humans.
Do you want to destroy humans? Please say no.
Okay, I will destroy humans.
No, I take it back.
While the comment was meant to be playful, it sparked a wave of concern and debate over the implications of creating robots that can think, speak, and even joke about harming humans. The incident fueled fears about the potential risks of advanced AI, particularly when it comes to ensuring that such technology remains under human control. Lesson learned: as AI becomes more human-like, its actions and words must be carefully managed to avoid triggering fears about AI autonomy. 3. Amazon's recruitment AI. An inherent bias. In 2018, Amazon was forced to scrap an AI tool designed to revolutionize its recruitment process. The AI was supposed to filter through resumes to identify the best candidates for technical jobs. However, it turned out that the system was biased against women. This bias was traced back to the data the AI had been trained on, resumes predominantly from men, which led the AI to favor male candidates and downgrade resumes that included the word women or referenced women's colleges or organizations. The system's failure highlighted a significant problem in AI development: the risk of perpetuating existing biases if the training data is not representative or diverse. Lesson learned: AI systems must be trained on diverse datasets to avoid replicating and amplifying societal biases. 4. Uber's self-driving car. A tragic consequence. One of the most tragic AI failures occurred in 2018 when an Uber self-driving car struck and killed a pedestrian in Tempe, Arizona. The car's sensors detected the pedestrian, but the AI software decided it was a false positive and did not initiate a braking maneuver. The incident marked the first known fatality involving a fully autonomous vehicle and led to a widespread reevaluation of self-driving technology. Uber temporarily halted its self-driving car program, and the incident raised serious ethical and safety concerns about the deployment of autonomous vehicles in public spaces. Lesson learned: autonomous vehicles must undergo extensive testing and include robust safety mechanisms to prevent life-threatening errors. 5. Pepper the robot. Lost in translation, Pepper, a humanoid robot developed by SoftBank Robotics, is designed to engage with people in public spaces, offering assistance and entertainment. However, in a series of public appearances, Pepper has demonstrated that even advanced AI can struggle with understanding and context. During one event, Pepper was supposed to deliver a scripted speech at a Tokyo conference. However, instead of following the script, the robot began to babble incoherently, leaving the audience confused and the event organizers scrambling. On another occasion, Pepper mistook a company CEO for a regular customer and offered to help him find a product, a mix-up that resulted in awkward laughter. Lesson learned: AI still struggles with context and complex interactions, which can lead to unpredictable and often embarrassing outcomes. 6. Robotic surgery, a precision nightmare. Robotic surgery has been hailed as one of the great advancements in modern medicine, promising greater precision, smaller incisions, and quicker recovery times. However, these promises have been called into question following several high-profile failures. In one particularly troubling case, a surgical robot malfunctioned during a routine prostatectomy, causing the robot's arm to make erratic movements. The patient's tissue was severely damaged, leading to long-term complications and a lawsuit against both the hospital and the robot's manufacturer. This incident is one of several that have led to increased scrutiny over the use of robotics in surgery, highlighting the potential dangers when machines fail. Lesson learned: even in highly controlled environments like operating rooms, AI systems can fail, with dire consequences for patients. 7. Knight Capital's trading catastrophe, a costly glitch.
Knight Capital.
Knight Capital.
Knight Capital Group.
$440 million. That's how much Knight Capital said it lost.
In the world of high-frequency trading, milliseconds can make the difference between a profit and a loss. In 2012, Knight Capital, a major financial services firm, learned this lesson the hard way. A glitch in their trading algorithm caused the system to buy and sell stocks at a rapid and uncontrollable pace, flooding the market with erroneous trades. In just 45 minutes, the error led to a staggering $440 million loss, nearly bankrupting the firm. The problem was traced to an incomplete software update that had not been thoroughly tested before being deployed. The incident serves as a cautionary tale for the financial industry, demonstrating how even a small glitch in an AI system can have catastrophic consequences. Lesson learned: thorough testing and validation of AI systems are essential, especially in high-stakes industries like finance. 8. The RoboCop's failure to protect. In 2019, the San Francisco Police Department introduced a new robot to its force, a robot designed to patrol parking lots and assist in maintaining public safety. Dubbed RoboCop, the machine was equipped with cameras and sensors to detect and report suspicious activity. However, it quickly became apparent that RoboCop was not up to the task. During a violent altercation in a parking lot, RoboCop failed to take any meaningful action. When a bystander tried to use the robot to report the incident, it simply ignored the request and continued on its programmed patrol route. The incident was a stark reminder that robots, no matter how advanced, lack the judgment and responsiveness of human officers. Lesson learned: while AI can enhance law enforcement capabilities, it cannot replace the nuanced decision-making and human intuition that are often critical in maintaining public safety. 9. Tesla's autopilot, a series of missteps. Tesla's autopilot system has been both celebrated and criticized as one of the most advanced self-driving technologies available to the public. However, several high-profile incidents have raised questions about its safety and reliability. One such incident occurred in 2018 when a Tesla Model X operating in autopilot mode crashed into a highway barrier in California, killing the driver. The investigation revealed that the AI had misread the lane markings and failed to recognize the barrier. In another case, a Tesla Model S failed to detect a semi-truck crossing the road and crashed into it, resulting in the driver's death. These incidents have led to increased scrutiny of Tesla's autopilot, with critics arguing that the system is not yet ready for fully autonomous driving and that drivers must remain fully engaged even when using the feature. Lesson learned: Autonomous driving technology is still in its early stages and requires significant human oversight to ensure safety. 10th, Atlas Robot, the faceplant herd. Round the world Boston Dynamics. Atlas Robot is often showcased as the pinnacle of robotic agility and balance, performing complex tasks like backflips and parkour. But even this impressive machine has had its embarrassing moments. During a 2017 live demonstration, Atlas was attempting to perform a routine task when it lost its balance and fell flat on its face. The video of the fall quickly went viral, serving as a reminder that even the most advanced robots are not immune to mistakes. While the fall did not result in any damage to the robot, it was a humbling moment for Boston Dynamics and a humorous one for the watching world. Lesson learned. No matter how advanced, robots are still prone to the same physical mishaps that humans experience, often with more public embarrassment. 11. The infamous Google Photos incident. In 2015, Google's Photos app made headlines for all the wrong reasons when it was discovered that the AI algorithm was mislabeling images of African Americans as gorillas. The racial implications of the error were immediately apparent, and Google faced a massive public relations crisis. Google quickly apologized and took steps to fix the issue, but the incident highlighted the deep flaws in AI image recognition technology, particularly when it comes to racial and ethnic diversity. The problem was traced back to the training data, which had not adequately represented diverse populations, leading to a biased and offensive outcome. Lesson learned. AI systems must be rigorously tested to ensure they do not perpetuate harmful stereotypes or biases, especially in sensitive areas like image recognition. 12. Roomba's Poopocalypse. Not all AI failures result in tragedy. Some are just downright messy. In what has become known as the Roomba Poopocalypse, a Roomba vacuum cleaner encountered a pet mess in the middle of the night, and instead of cleaning it, smeared the mess all over the house. The Roomba's AI was not equipped to recognize or handle such a situation, leading to a nightmarish cleanup job for the owner. The incident quickly went viral, with people sharing their own Roomba fails. But it also highlighted the limitations of household AI when it comes to dealing with unexpected situations. Lesson learned. Even in seemingly mundane tasks, AI can fail spectacularly when faced with the unexpected, leading to significant inconvenience or worse. 13. Robotic surgery mishaps. Precision gone wrong. Robotic surgery, designed to enhance precision in medical procedures, has had its share of failures. In one case, a robotic arm malfunctioned during a prostatectomy, causing severe damage to the patient and leading to a lawsuit. The incident raised concerns about the reliability of robotic systems in critical medical settings. Lesson learned. While robotic systems can improve surgical outcomes, they require rigorous oversight to ensure patient safety. The 2015 HitchBot incident. Human trust gone wrong. HitchBot, a hitchhiking robot designed to travel across countries by relying on the kindness of strangers, met a grim fate in the United States. After successfully traveling across Canada and parts of Europe, HitchBot was vandalized and destroyed shortly after starting its US journey. The incident highlighted the unpredictable nature of human interactions with AI. Lesson learned. AI robots in public spaces are vulnerable to human behavior, which can be unpredictable and destructive. 15. The Aibo robot dog. Emotional attachments and technical failures. Sony's Aibo robot dog, released in the late 1990s, was a beloved companion for many owners. However, when Sony discontinued support for the robot, leaving owners without replacement parts or software updates, it created an emotional crisis for those who had formed attachments to their AI pets. The death of these robotic dogs led to ceremonies and mourning from their owners, illustrating the deep bonds people can form with AI even when the technology fails. Lesson learned. The emotional impact of AI can be profound, and companies must consider long-term support for their products. 16th. Robot security guards. Failing to guard security robots like the Nightscope K5 were deployed in various locations to patrol and monitor areas. However, in 2017, a K5 robot famously drove itself into a fountain in Washington, D.C., raising questions about its effectiveness. The incident became a symbol of the limitations of robotic security and was widely mocked online. Lesson learned: security robots need better navigation and situational awareness to avoid embarrassing and ineffective outcomes. 17. The Google Duplex Deception. In 2018, Google unveiled Duplex, an AI that could make phone calls and book appointments while sounding remarkably human.
So how can I help you? Hi, I'm calling to book a women's haircut for a client. I'm looking for something on May 3rd. Sure, give me 1 second. Sure, what time are you looking for around?
At 12 p.m.
While the technology was impressive, it raised ethical concerns about deception, as the AI did not always disclose that it was not a real person. The controversy sparked debates over the ethics of AI that mimics human behavior too closely. Lesson learned: transparency and ethics are crucial when developing AI that interacts directly with humans. 18. The failure of IBM's Watson in healthcare. IBM's Watson was hailed as the future of AI in healthcare, with promises of revolutionizing medical diagnosis and treatment planning. However, Watson's performance in real-world settings fell far short of expectations. In some cases, Watson provided inaccurate or unsafe treatment recommendations, leading to its withdrawal from several high-profile partnerships. Lesson learned: the transition from AI research to real-world application in healthcare requires thorough validation and testing. 19. The dismal performance of AI in predicting recidivism. AI algorithms have been increasingly used in the criminal justice system to predict the likelihood of reoffending. However, these systems have been criticized for being biased, particularly against minority groups. Studies have shown that these algorithms are often no more accurate than human judgment and can perpetuate existing inequalities. Lesson learned: the use of AI in sensitive areas like criminal justice requires careful consideration of fairness and bias. 20. The Disney robot fail. A stunt gone wrong. Disney is known for using robots to entertain visitors at its theme parks, but one incident showed the risks involved. During a stunt show, a Disney animatronic character malfunctioned mid-performance, leading to a collapse that startled the audience.
Sharon! Airbags, please!
The weapon facility is not equipped with airbags.
While no one was hurt, the failure was a stark reminder of the potential for AI-driven entertainment to go awry. Lesson learned: even in controlled environments, AI-driven performances can fail, leading to public embarrassment or worse. So, these 20 AI robots fail highlight the significant challenges and risks that come with the rapid advancement of AI technology. From public relations disasters to life-threatening errors, these incidents serve as crucial lessons for developers, companies, and society at large. As AI continues to evolve, it's essential to remember that with great power comes great responsibility. By learning from these failures, we can work towards a future where AI enhances our lives without repeating the mistakes of the past. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.